the ministry has distributed more than 12 million competency-based books to schools, and this process continues as I talk to you. And I want to assure you that when it gets completed by the end of this month, I shall personally, in body and spirit, go and confirm that our children, your children, have received the books that they require. And I want to assure the country, with all humility, that this is the right thing to do, and I want to thank them for moving with us in this direction. We have trained recently over 91,000 teachers. Field reports indicate that those teachers are now better, more confident in their delivery of the competency-based curriculum. And like Dr. Macharia has said, teacher training is going to be continuous. The Good Ministry of Education of the Republic of Kenya this month trained an additional 1,400 education officers on the management and supervision of CBC in schools, including the methods that will be used in competency-based assessment. We expect that these officers will now do a more commendable job of ensuring that the overall delivery of CBC is up to the expected standard. That I shall continue to make those changes. I want to have a critical team in the ministry that shall help me to deliver the competency-based curriculum.